Hi guys, so that was about Bukit Bintang and Pavilion. So from here I'll be going to KLCC. There's a way where you can walk from Pavilion to KLCC. So I'll be passing by the restaurant and bar in Pavilion. Then from there there's a bridge which will be leading to KLCC. So let's follow me and I'll show you guys how to get there. We have arrived in KLCC. So from here we'll be taking the pedestrian tunnel to the Surya KLCC Mall. From there we will be going to the park which is opposite of KLCC, where everyone will gather. I'll show you guys what's the situation going like, because previously I don't know if I can record in the Surya KLCC, because previously I got caught and they asked me to stop recording. So I hope this time I can show you guys what's happening there. But yeah, we'll see how. Let's follow me. So guys, we are in Surya KLCC Mall now. That was the journey from Pavilion to Surya KLCC Mall. It was about 10 minutes walk, as I showed you the way. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's the situation around in KL Surya CC Mall. Hi guys, now we'll be going to the park where I'll show you the KLCC view. I'm currently in KLCC Surya KLCC Mall. So from here I'll be going to the KLCC waterfront park, where there's more crowd. People will be chilling there. You can see some water show or something, and from there then maybe I'll be going to Changkat, Bukit Bintang, to show you the nightlife. Yeah, that will be all for today. Till then, just enjoy the video. Guys, so this is the waterfront. We are at the waterfront KLCC park. You can see the crowd are here back. People are hanging out here with their friend. Some are sitting there enjoying the view. Some are having walk. So welcome back to KL. Yeah, I'll say KL city is back to its normal phase, since most of them are fully vaccinated. Yeah, it's nice to see everything is getting back to normal here in Malaysia.